If you think of an Elks Lodge, what comes to mind? Probably a dusty old hall with even older men inside. But guess what? The lodge has gotten an extreme makeover, and as NBC's Mark Mullen tells us, in some places it's been reborn as the hippest spot in town.
Most people think it's something from a bygone era, like an old Jackie Gleason routine.
The International Order of Loyal Raccoons is now in session.
May God help me and keep...
And at first glance, the benevolent and protective Order of Elks hasn't changed much since. The top elected officer is dubbed the Exalted Ruler, and meetings include old-school ceremonies that haven't changed for decades.
Actually, I had a picture of them that involved, like, a frumpy couch and a big screen TV, that kind of thing.
But once inside, hip young San Franciscans are finding out that this could be the best-kept secret in town.
Not many people know that this exists, and it's kind of like having a place of your own in the middle of the city.
A private club complete with a billiards room, a fitness center, and swimming pool, a bar where everyone knows your name. All this for $45 a month. But the Elks are first and foremost a charitable and community service organization, providing the most money for college scholarships of any private group in the country. Every year, the Elks lose about 19,000 members, usually to old age. But a new influx of new members is helping to stem the tide. Here in San Francisco, for example, nearly half of the 800 members in this chapter are under 40. Other lodges across the country are seeing the same trend, fueled in part by the club's relatively recent acceptance of women members.
Younger people want to hang out with the opposite sex.
But many of those young people also say the Order's traditions and living history are a big part of the draw.
You come up here and it's sort of a step back in time, you know.
A return to a group with a rich legacy of community service and proud brotherhood, which may have been ahead of its time all along. For today, Mark Mullen, NBC News, San Francisco.
Nice to see the lodge is making a comeback, isn't it?
Bargain, too. Good for them.